Editing posts on Instagram is actually very easy, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Now, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to launch the Instagram application. Now, once you've launched it, you're going to go to your home page and you're going to find the post that you want to edit. Now, let's take this post for instance. We want to edit this post because one of the devices posted in this video has been sold, so let's just remove that one that has been sold. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on the three dots at the top of the video, and once we click on it, in the dialog box we can see where it says edit. We're going to click on edit. Now this is where we want to take out the second um, device that was included, and we're going to do this. We're going to put this here and we're going to click on done. And just like that, we've been able to edit the post on Instagram. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.